165 Silverstone Drive, a charming two-story home with nearly 2,000 square foot above grade. This 4-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom home has loads of renovation potential and tons of natural light streaming through the front windows overlooking the park. Hardwood floors line the main and second floor. Stoves give this home a quiet, calming ambiance. A second partial kitchen in the basement with an additional 800 square foot finished area allows many living options. This home boasts a double car garage with a lofted shelf for storage as well as parking for 4 or more cars. A covered front porch gives great curb appeal and allows you to watch over the family in the park across the road. Enjoy your fenced backyard and continue the already established vegetable garden. This family home is well situated, just steps from the Humber River, close to all amenities, public transit, and major highways. This home has been well maintained. Don't miss your opportunity to purchase this family home and create your lifetime memories.